Hello everyone. Today we will see how to bring back the classic desktop gadgets to Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. Bring back the old memories in new forms. First we need to download this package. I will attach the link in this video description. Once the package is downloaded, you need to extract it. In these packages, you will find two things. One is Gadget Collection Pack and another is Installer. First you need to execute this installer. Setup as usual. We have successfully installed. Now we can use or add any gadgets. In Windows 11, just right click and click Show More option. You'll find the Gadgets option. Now you can see recently added gadgets from here. Now let's see how to add more gadgets. Go to this pack and you can double click and install any gadgets from here.
Good afternoon, Joynul Abadin Rasel. Good afternoon, Joynul Abadin Rasel.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.